In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SumUp Business Account. To get started, go to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android. In the search bar, type SumUp, then download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open it so you can begin the account setup process. Make sure you're downloading the official app, since that helps avoid confusion and ensures you're working in the right place from the start. When the app opens, tap Sign Up or Create Account. You'll then be asked to enter your email address, create a password, and provide your phone number. Use an email address you can access easily because SumUp may ask you to confirm it before you continue. If a verification email appears, open it and complete the confirmation step so your profile can be activated properly. Next, you'll move on to your business information. SumUp will ask you to choose your business type, such as sole trader or freelancer, company or organization, or another business type, if that fits your situation better. After that, enter your business name, business category, business address, and contact details. If your business has official registration information, provide that as well when prompted. It's a good idea to enter everything carefully here, because accurate information can help prevent delays later in the verification process. After your business details are in place, log into your SumUp account and open the verification request. This is the part where SumUp confirms your identity. You'll need to upload the required documents, which may include a valid ID such as a passport, driver's license, or another accepted form of identification. In some cases, you may also be asked for proof of address. Follow the instructions on screen and complete any identity checks, including selfie verification if it appears. Try to use clear, well-lit photos so your documents can be reviewed more smoothly. Once that's done, connect your bank account. Open account settings, then go to bank details or the payout settings section. Enter your bank account information carefully and confirm the details. This step is important because it allows SumUp to send your payouts directly to your bank account. After your account is approved, you can start setting up the payment features available to you. Depending on your needs, you can connect a SumUp card reader, accept card payments, create payment links, send invoices, and manage your sales directly through the app. Finally, once your account is fully verified, log into the SumUp app, access your business account, and start using it. You can